These days, we are looking for different ways to make money online, and always looking for some websites to watch videos and earn, or maybe find some mobile app that can give us money quickly. To help you with this, I did research and I found great mobile apps both on iOS and Android that you can download and make money fast. If you're new here, I am Sam and welcome to my channel. And here in my channel, I try to help you to find the best ways to make money online in a legit and real way. So I'm going to show you these apps, their great features, the pros and cons of each, and also their earning potential. The first app in our list is OfferUp. It's a great mobile app that you can start downloading on your iOS or Android and start making money. It is in fact a marketplace app where you can buy and sell items locally. It's a quick way to declutter your space and earn money by selling items you no longer need. And also you can meet up locally to complete some transactions. Now let's go to the pros and cons of this app. The pros of this app is that it's easy to use, and also you can reach a local audience and no shipping required for most transactions. But there are some cons with that. You have to pay some transition fees, and also you need to meet the buyer in person. In this app, there is no minimum payout, and the amount of money you can earn depends on the items being sold. Now let's move to the next app, which is Honeygain. You can download this app for both iOS and Android from your app store, or you can go to honeygain.com and download this app. This is a great app that allows you to earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. The app runs in the background and pays you based on the amount of data shared. There are so many great features with this app. With this app, you can have some passive income, and also it has a very simple setup and it's easy to use. Also, the app is quite secure and privacy focused. However, there are some negatives with that. For example, you need to have a steady internet connection and the earnings can be relatively low. For the earning potential, you can earn $1 per 10 gigabyte of data shared. And also the minimum payout is $20. Now let's move to the next app. This is called Mistplay. Mistplay is a loyalty program for gamers available on Android. Users earn points by playing games and can redeem them for various rewards such as gift cards. There are some features in this app. For example, you can choose from a variety of games, and also you can earn points by playing and completing in-game tasks. And as well as that, you can redeem points for gift cards to Amazon, Google Play, and more. So there are some pros for using that. It's free to use, and also it's an engaging way to earn rewards and regularly updated with new games. However, the issue is that it's only available on Android, not on iOS, and points accumulation can be slow. Now let's move to the earning potential. In this app, you can earn from $0.50 to $2 per hour of gameplay, and the minimum payout is $5. Okay, now let's move to the next one, which is called Rakuten. Rakuten is an app that rewards users with cashback for shopping at partner retailers. Users can earn cashback by shopping through the Rakuten app or website. You can get cashback offers from thousands of retailers, and there are regular double cashback events, and also there are so many referral bonuses. If you consider the pros of this app, we can say that it's very easy to use, and also there are multiple payout options including PayPal and checks. However, the percentage of the cashback is different and it depends on the retailers. And also it may take some time for the cashback to be processed. So for an average cashback amount, you can get like from 1 to 10% of your purchase. And also the minimum amount for payout is $5. The next one in our list is Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog is an app that rewards you for uploading receipts from your purchases. You can earn coins by scanning receipts, which can then be redeemed for cash or gift cards. It's a very easy and simple app to use, and also it accepts receipts from any stores. And also there are so many bonus opportunities through surveys and sweepstakes. However, these apps are only limited to US and Canada, and some of the time in order to get rewards you have to accumulate a lot of coins. The average earning for this is from 10 to 15 cents per receipt, and also the minimum payout is $5. The next one in our list is called Fold. It's a platform where you can sell your photos and videos, and simply you upload your high quality content and buyers can purchase them for marketing or personal use. You can upload and sell your photos and videos, participate in missions for higher payouts, and also earn 50% of each sale. The pros with this app is that it's easy to use, and also with high quality content you can earn much more money, and as well as that you have access to a great community of photographers. Now let's move to the next one, which is called Pinecone Research. It's a survey app that pays users to provide feedback on products and services. It offers a flat rate for each survey completed. This platform is quite simple to use and you can see a lot of high-paying surveys. The only issue is that you need to be qualified for some specific surveys to earn money. And now let's go to the earning potential. For every survey, you can earn around $3, and also the minimum payout is $3 as well. The next one in our list is Toluna or Toluna Influencers. It is a survey app that allows users to earn rewards by sharing their opinions on various products and services. It offers points that can be redeemed for gift cards and cash. The good thing about this app is that it has a wide range of surveys with a wide range of topics, and as well as that there are multiple reward options. However, the surveys can be sometimes time consuming and points accumulation can be slow. Considering the earning potential, we can see that you can earn from 1 cent to 2 cents per point, and the minimum payout is $1, which equals 30,000 points. If you enjoyed the video so far, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the future videos where I show you different ways to make money online. Also, I would be glad to see your comments below and your ideas about these different apps and the ones you find most interesting. Now let's move to the next one, which is called Dosh. Dosh is a cashback app that automatically finds and applies cashback offers to your purchases when you link your credit or debit card. It works with a wide range of retailers and services. There are so many pros with this app. For example, you don't need to scan receipts or enter any promo code. Also, the cashbacks are automatically added to your account. However, this app is only limited to participating retailers and cashback accumulation can be sometimes very slow. Now let's go to the earning potential. The average cashback is around 2 to 10% of the purchase and the minimum payout is $25. Now let's go to the next one, which is called Mobi. Mobi is a mystery shopping app that pays you to complete missions at local stores. You earn points by answering questions about your shopping experience, which can be redeemed for rewards. One of the good things about this app is that it's really fun and interesting to earn points. And also it has an easy to use interface with a variety of missions. However, in some areas the available missions would be limited and points accumulation can be slow. Now let's move to the earning potential of this app. For every mission you do, you can earn from $0.50 to $5 and the minimum payout is $10. The last app in our list is Ibotta. It's a cashback app that rewards you for making everyday purchases. You can earn cashback by shopping online or in a store and scanning your receipts. There are so many features. For example, there are cashback offers from a wide range of retailers, easy receipt scanning for cashback, and also there are so many bonus opportunities for referrals. The app is really easy to use and there are multiple payout options. However, the cashback offers depends on the number of retailers and it also requires scanning receipts. In this app, the average earning potential is from 25 cents to $5 per purchase, and the minimum payout is $20. These fast money earning apps from iOS and Android can offer you a variety of different options to make some extra cash in your free time. Whether you prefer selling items, sharing your internet bandwidth, there is an app that fits your needs and can help you to make some money. I highly appreciate you following me up to here and it really means a lot to me. And I would be happy to see that you like this video, subscribe, and also give your ideas in the comments. Thank you very much for being with me, and until next time, take care, goodbye.